Example 3.4. The resistance of the platinum wire of a platinum resistance thermometer at the ice point is 5 ohm and at steam point is 5.23 ohm. When the thermometer is inserted in a hot bath, the resistance of platinum wire becomes 5.795 ohm. Calculate the temperature of the bath. First, we'll see what are the given values. Resistance at ice point, that is 0 degree centigrade. So, R0, initial resistance R0 is given as 5 ohm and final resistance that is inserted in the hot bath, that is R100. Hot bath matlab boiling point, right? 100 steam, 100 degree centigrade is 5.23 ohm. Resistance at unknown temperature, that is 5.795 ohm. Here 3 resistors at 0 degree, at 100 degree and another is at unknown temperature. Find the temperature of the bath. The resistance is 5.795 ohm at what temperature? Right? Okay. What is the relation between resistance and temperature? That is R equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha delta T. Now R minus R0 equal to R0 into alpha delta T. Subtracting R0 or you bring R0 this side, it becomes R minus R0. That is R0 into alpha delta T at 100 degree centigrade. Delta T. R0 is 0 degree, R100 is 100 degree. First, we'll apply the equation for R0 degree and R100 degree. That is R100 equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha delta T. Change in the temperature is 100. R100 minus R0 equal to R0 into alpha into 100. Okay. Now, dividing equation 1 by 2. R minus R0 divided by, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, right? Yes. R minus R0 divided by R100 minus R0 equal to R0 alpha T divided by R0 alpha into 100. That is R0, R0 get cancelled, alpha get cancelled, T by 100. R minus R0 equal to T by 100 into R100 minus R0. Now we'll proceed. Okay. We'll substitute R. R value is 5.795 minus R0 is 5 ohm divided by R100 is 5.79. R100 how much? R100 is 5.23 minus R0 is 5. That is T by 100. So if you subtract this, you are getting 0.795. This is you are getting 0.23. That is T by 100. So now T by 100, if you simplify this, you are getting 3.456. Do the cross multiplication. So temperature, you are getting around 346 degrees centigrade.